This is a new platform, a kit that we're developing to teach kids and to learn ourselves about how machine learning works. We've got the DF Robot Huskylens recognizing a tag. When it sees a tag, it recognizes it, identifies it with a tag number, and then sends the information to the Microbit version 2, which in turn can interpret that and do something with that recognized tag. Now, we're using also the infrared remote. There are several different infrared remotes. You can use any one you want, but you have to learn, you have to find out what are the code numbers that are sent each time you press a button. It will not match the code numbers on the button. It will be some other number. There will be a link to that program in the description of this video. The idea is to develop our own four-wheel bot car rather than the two-wheel, add servos and different actuators that can grab objects when a tag is seen, mount this system on this four-wheel car, and then write the code to program to do all this. On our channel, we've got examples of how this car works with these four omnidirectional tires, these wheels that are called Mecanum wheels. We've done that. We've also got tag recognition and a gripper that can open and close when a tag is recognized. So we've got that part. We're just trying to combine them and see if this Microbit version 2 has enough computing power to handle all of this programming, and if our battery pack is powerful enough. Here is the extension, and the thing you need to know about this board to use infrared. Jason informed me that we have to have this switch, infrared switch right here, IR, turned to the on position. If you're using this board, you've got to have that IR switch turned on. It's just a sliding switch. Here's the program. There'll be a link to this program in the description of this video. Here is the basic information about Huskylens on GitHub. And lastly, here is the code that you use to discover which numbers are being sent by your IR remote. Anyone in your household, any remote in your household will work if you first use this program to determine the number being sent. After that, then you can go back into your main program and say, if this number 71 is received, then do something, go forward, backward. It happens on this remote that number 71 is from this button, and number 70, I believe, is this button. You need to know that. You need to learn that before you can write your program. So there'll be more about this. It's going to be an interesting project. We'll have our battery pack mounted right here in the center. We've got the possibility of using a 9-volt battery also. We're going to test that and see if we can make that work on this particular expansion board motor driver called Motorbit. There'll be more.